my new lip balm. I changed my recipe just a little bit and got new containers too. But now that I'm awake, nice and refreshed, I'm going to put together my shelf. It's all put together. Oh, wow. I think I really do like this setup. Yeah, come stand by the setup, Mason. I want people to know how tall it actually is. So how tall are you, Mason?
6 feet.
Mason's 6 feet tall. And he has a hat on. And the shelf is still about 3 inches taller than him. So...
Is it?
Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna get another one. I'm 5'5".
You are?
Yes. It's 10 by 10.
Mm-hmm.
So I could fit 2 of these next to each other.
10 by 10? You can put 4 of these in there.
4 of these?
Mm-hmm. That's why I like
I can fit 4 of these.
Yeah. Or you can do 4, probably 2, and then a setup.
Where are you going with that ceiling fan?
I have a customer that wants a ceiling fan on their deck. We're renovating a shed. So yeah, put it up there.
Okay. I guess you're allowed to go. Leaving me by myself to do this Vlogmas.
Oh my goodness.
And make lip balms and candles.
I'll be back before the game starts.
I guess it's just us. All alone. Alright, let's go upstairs and what do I want to do first? Do I want to do candles or lip balms? I think I want to do lip balms first because those are so much easier to make. So let's go. So I've got all of my flavor oils here and I just wanted to use up the rest of my flavor oils. So each of these recipes are going to be different, but I went ahead and input my formula into Excel and it did the math for me. Well, I put in the formula and I let Excel generate the math at lightning speed. So now I'm going to measure out my ingredients and get those melted. And here are my ingredients for all 6 of my lip balms. And I've already got the first one over here melting. This yelling downstairs. That's where all that noise is coming from. Mason Price Sr.
So, this is a Josh Dobbs commercial.
And Mason Price Jr.
I'm serious, look, it's a Josh Dobbs commercial. Turn the camera.
Senior, Junior. The first, the second.
That's right.
Tree, apple.
That's, hey. Oh, that's bull. Nah, that's bull.
From his body, and then he puts it tight, but looking clean.
It's out. No, that's out. That's out. That's out.
For Baltimore.
It might be leftovers, but it is so good. Sunday dinner. My stuff from Bulk Apothecary got here. Remember when I was saying I couldn't make my sugar scrubs and body butter because I didn't have any containers? Bam! They're here. And also, my ingredients for my foaming wet bath is also in that box. So, I get to make some more sugar scrubs, baby. This is my test label that goes on the top of my lip balm. And I'm about to try the regular label. I did it.
Oh, wow.
That's my test label. So I'm going to go upstairs and finish printing off these labels and labeling the rest of my bath bombs. And then I'm going to put them into Inventura so that I can see how much my cogs are and what I need to price these lip balms as. Then I'll post them on my website just in case you all want to purchase them. But if you don't want to purchase them and you want to make them yourself, you can visit my Patreon and get the recipe there, and that description's in the description box below. And I also want to thank all my patrons for your continued support. You guys are absolutely awesome. I couldn't do this without you guys. And that's gonna wrap up Vlogmas day number 2. Come back with us tomorrow so we can do Vlogmas number 3. Until next time, bye guys.